Hello friends, this is unboxing of a watch repair kit I ordered on Amazon. Okay, this costed me around 850 rupees. I could see a lot of other type of kits with lesser number of tools, but this one has got many tools. We'll open it and see what all it contains. Okay, this is how the tools are sent through the packaging, and this is a carry case. So it has around so many tools. I don't know what all tools are there. Probably this is the back case opener. This is case opener. Then I got this watch holder. I think this is adjustable size, wherein you can place your watch and tighten it, and using this you can hold and repair the watch. Okay, yes, I think this is the chain pin tool remover. Okay, we'll open it and check it up. Okay, a very small one wherein you can this looks like a aluminum tool, wherein you can just keep on rotating this so that the pin pierces your chain tool. Okay, then you have a cloth for cleaning. Then this is your small TPU hammer, one side metallic and one side TPU for removing the chain links. This is the tool to place the chain and remove the pins. Okay, then I think we have so many. This is a brush to clean the dust from the watch when you're repairing. Then you have again the pin removal, the chain pin removal tool, wherein you can use this, place this pointer into the chain and then remove it through the hammer. This is tweezers for removing the, either you can utilize this for removing the battery and picking up some items. Then this is the, okay, I think it should be a screwdriver, type of screwdriver. So you can rotate like this. This is a rotatory bezel, and it also comes with multiple tools, meaning multiple type of screw tips. Then we have one more pin tool. This is, I think, to remove the pins of the chain pin. Okay, and some spare pin tips of various sizes to remove the chain pins. Then this is the case opener. Okay, this is the case opener with the adjustable. We'll try to open this up and then check it. So this is the adjustable tool for adjusting the size of the back case of any watch. Okay, and then hold it and then rotate. This is for the screw case back of the watches. So these are the items in the kit. The picture looks very different, and some of the items I could see here it's not of so great quality. Very it's of very nominal type. I don't know. I have not checked any other kits. This is the first time I have ordered any such kit, but I am very disappointed with this tweezer. It's a plastic one. I don't know whether this would be really so much useful or not. I would have appreciated if it was a metal thing. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Thank you and good day.